I'm in the Bahamas with its sand, sea and pirates. Welcome to this Flags of 50 Places. This is one of my growing favourites, a flag with sharp, nice contrasting colours with an interesting backstory and easily recognisable, not like you, Indonesia or Monaco. And it's this, the aquamarine blue stripes for its Caribbean waters that surround the 700 islands that make up the Bahamas, and the yellow for the sand and rich resources the islands have to offer. That sharp black equilateral triangle is for the Bahamian people and their determination to develop their country and lives. What I love about this flag is the shade of blue, which makes it stand out from many other national flags that use this colour. And locals use these colours everywhere, not only in flags. The flag has a 1:2 ratio and was designed by Dr. Hervis Bain.
Speak of the devil, and it shall appear.
Ready for the adoption on the 10th of July 1973, the country's independence, when they broke away from British colonial rule. There are 3 ensign versions, this silver one for privately owned yachts and boats, the state ensign for government boats such as the Coast Guard, and the naval version used, by their navy. But what came before this, and where do the pirates come into the history? Well, the British arrived in 1717 and issued the islands with this blue ensign, which varied over the years, but the picture in the centre of the emblem pretty much stayed the same as this. It depicts a British naval ship fending off 2 pirate ships with the motto, "Pirates repulsed, commerce restored." And why this heroic depiction of a British frigate fighting off not 1 but 2 pirate ships single-handedly? That's because before 1717 the islands were pretty much run by pirates, and therefore is likely to have used this flag for various parts of the island, meaning I can show this flag for the first time in some sort of official use on this channel. And to find out another country that's only had 1 national flag since having a British ensign, then click this video to get the full lowdown of the Canadian flag and all it presents. Bon voyage!